How many of you argue? Most of you, right? But what is the point of arguing when you never know the perspective of the other person? The situation becomes worse when you try to argue with a fool. Yes, do not ever, do not ever argue with a fool. Most of the people think they're intelligent, they are wise, and they try to argue over the things that may or may not be of their area, of their, you can say, the choice. But now if you're arguing on the something, you have to take the point of the other people as well. What other is saying, does that matter to me or does that matter to him? Take their perspective and see from their point of view, what are you arguing. Maybe the point you are arguing or you're discussing is right from his side, or if you know you are right and you're still arguing, that's a no point, because the other person will not understand you, and the situation become worse and worse and worse if the other person is a fool and he is trying to convince you on the things that you know are not true or cannot be true. And the main point is, when you try to argue with a fool, you will always lose. You will ask how it's possible that you will lose. If you are true, then also you will lose. If you are true, then also you will lose. Why? The fools will drag you to their level of intelligence, and with their experience, they will defeat you. You will never win an argument with a fool, because he do not want to use, or you can say he doesn't use his mind. Whatever you are saying, whatever you say to him, he will always say the things that whatever he thinks he is right. Whether from the other person's perspective it is right or not, it doesn't matter to him. If he's a fool, he's a fool. So whenever you start an argument with someone, always think from both the perspectives and always try to listen to the point, and don't try to speak. Listen first and see, is the point he's putting his point is right or wrong. Maybe the point he's putting from his side he is right, but from your perspective it is wrong. So you can over an argument that yes, you are right from your perspective and I'm right from my perspective, and that's the discussion is finished, and that's it. There is a no way you will out of an argument if you continue doing the things that will have no result on it, especially with the fools. So there's a very interesting things going on internet, is that there's a very good cartoon. One person is saying, how are you so cool, man? You always seems to be cool. The other person said, I never argue with the fools. I never argue with the other people. The other person said, how it's possible? It's not right. And the second person said, yeah, you are right. So seems that the person is cool because he never argues over the things that he don't like. He don't want to waste his time on the things that he doesn't like to be on things. Do not argue on the things that doesn't matter to your life as well. There's a small matters in the house which you're arguing with your wife, your husband, your children, your parents, maybe in the office with your boss, with your colleagues, if you're in a school, college with your friends, teachers. No. Before starting an argument, think, is this or as the result of this will help me in my success, in my career, in my growth or not? If it's not, don't try to argue. That's it. That's it, the main point. Listen carefully with your ears. See the situation with your eyes and open your mouth only when you need to. Because some people always try to speak and show others that they have something to say. They want to say something, but you do not want to become one of them. Stop arguing. Think before arguing. If you want to do, think from other person's perspective and then argue. And the last one, do not argue with the fools. They will never listen to you.